Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install add-ons in Mozilla Thunderbird email client. Add-ons are incredibly useful as they can enhance your email experience by adding new features, improving productivity, and customizing your workflow to better suit your needs. Let's jump right in and get started with this simple process. First, you'll need to open your Thunderbird application. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Add-ons and Themes. This section is your gateway to customizing Thunderbird with all sorts of helpful tools and visual tweaks. Once you're in the Add-ons and Themes section, scroll down through the page until you find the option that says Find More Add-ons. Click on it. This will take you to Mozilla's official add-ons repository where you can browse through a massive library of extensions specifically designed for Thunderbird. Give it a moment to load as it pulls up all the available options. Now you're in the add-ons discovery page. Here you can either search for a specific add-on you have in mind using the search bar or simply browse through the featured and recommended add-ons that Thunderbird displays. If you already know what you're looking for, typing its name into the search bar will save you time. If you're just exploring, feel free to scroll through and click on any add-on that catches your eye to learn more about what it does. Once you've found an add-on you want to install, click on it to open its details page. This page will give you information about the add-on's features, ratings, and compatibility. When you're ready to install, click the button that says Add to Thunderbird. This initiates the installation process for that particular extension. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify that you want to install this add-on. Simply click Add to confirm. Thunderbird will then download and install the add-on automatically. Depending on the size of the add-on, this should only take a few seconds. Now that your add-on is installed, you might want to see all your installed extensions in one place. To do this, go back to the Add-ons Manager tab. You can find this tab easily as it should still be open in your Thunderbird window. Once you're there, click on Extensions. This will display a list of all the add-ons currently installed in your Thunderbird client, allowing you to manage, disable, or remove them as needed. And that's it. You've successfully installed an add-on in Mozilla Thunderbird, giving your email client new capabilities and features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.